everyone, today we're going to be trying to take apart a Sonicare toothbrush by Phillips. When we started, it doesn't even really do anything, just kind of makes a lot of noise. There's probably something loose inside, but like when I brush my teeth, I'd probably be better off brushing my teeth with a regular toothbrush because it doesn't do much. You can see it doesn't even vibrate, so it just makes a lot of noise. So let's get into this and try and take it apart. I don't really know what's wrong, so this could be a blank video, but let's see what we got. First, I'd like to protect the toothbrush, so I'm going to take some tape and kind of wrap it around the end here. This is just to protect it against, just protect it against the channel locks. Next, we're going to take like some paper towel and wrap it around it as well. So I'm going to take some channel locks, and you're going to go the long way. You have like a short way and then like a long way. And basically what you're trying to do is to create a gap. I don't know if you can see it, a gap right there that you can actually get a screwdriver in and kind of work that around, kind of pop it up. And once it's actually started, you can kind of take it off, get to the other side, and start prying it up. And it should pop off. This next part's actually kind of hard. There are two tabs. There's one on this side and then one on this side. And it's hard to show on video. There's one on this side, and they actually have to be pushed in on both sides, and then so you can pull this out as you kind of press down on it. I like to get one screwdriver kind of in there, get started. There we go. So that tabs out. As you kind of push down on it, it kind of pops out. Let's see what we got going on here. And it's kind of what I assumed. So that's got to go back in there and get screwed back in there. I'm going to put some Loctite on it to try and seal this in there so this doesn't come apart again. I'm just going to use some thread lock or some Loctite. Won't take very much, just a little tiny drop. I'm going to put this back in. The flat part of this is going to go up like that. Now we're going to put the screw in. And then tighten it down. We want to be fairly tight so it doesn't, but don't over tighten it, as we don't want to strip it. There you go. Now we're going to put it, let's see. Oh, that's a lot better, isn't it? Now I'm going to put everything back in, back together. The lights go on top here, slide it back in till you hear it click. And then we're going to put the bottom back on. Take our tape off. It's probably easier said than done. And then It's a lot quieter, isn't it? And I don't know if you can see, but it's actually vibrating. Now if we take and put a head back on the toothbrush, turn on, you can actually see it works now. Thanks for watching.